LTRX stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. Is Lantronix stock a buy? Well, I'll be breaking this down in this quick and short 1-minute video. Having done well over 45,000 videos, 5 years of experience, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. And basically, this is just like a bearish market that I have no ill intentions towards. It's just that if I zoom out, you will see that the price is melting. But when will this be a bullish market, Mr. Sicko? Well, for me, man, like it must break 450. So for those 50 cents with a full candle close. And that, my man, this is a weekly chart, right? But still, I'm telling you, like, for the weekly chart to shift, that's what must be broken. And in the meantime, can we be short-term bullish? Actually, yes, 100% yes. But how would I do that though? But like, I would like to see a little deeper correction, and then only from here would look to take it up. But randomly buying, it's just simply not going to be happening. And all I have here is just this supply. That's where we're sitting at. Everything else is noise. So if you want to stay tuned and get free sauce, click the first link in the description. I'll continue to keep you updated.